This is not the age-appropriate video. So sweaty right now. I don't even want to do an intro. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Posse's Vlogs. We're at this campsite. Look at that view. Looks beautiful. And we're camping on Crown land. We're not camping in a campground. Jeff, how was the drive up?
Pretty good. I made it in some good time.
Just flowing on the river. Well, it's not a river, it's a lake this time. It's flowing on Kawartha. Cedar Lake. Cedar. Just make me a sugar glider.
Watch that. That's what all the squirrels are around.
Are you filming this?
I just got that last thing you said. Literally just got, I'm gonna sell my soul. Make me a sugar glider.
All right, so we're gonna go party on this island. Nice. Like this nice rocky beach. And now we're all climbing down this rope to try and get into the water. And we're on the island. Well, we saved their dog. Oh, I stepped in geese poop.
Like
so
right
yeah, normally this island's really shallow and you can walk out on it's like a beach, it's like a rock beach, but that's not the case today. We're on this little tiny island.
Zebra mussels. Are they? They're not native, are they? No, they're invasive.
Oh shit, dude, that's all like zebra mussels.
That's why you sure you're like freaking out when we were getting close because we're like.
I never had problems like 4 years ago here.
Yeah, it's becoming a real problem now.
Well, no shit. There's like a million of them, dude. This is embarrassing.
I'll give you that.
Can I have a drink?
And he got his treat afterwards.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, it died. Well, my truck can't run sawzalls. Why didn't you bring your hatchet?
Because I was told there was a sawzall.
I'm just drinking.
I'm not. I was trying to pour a drink and then you went and asked me to take your phone for a video.
Yeah, we need videos.
I need a drink. I've only had 2 freaking pomade things.
Drink some more. Ow! Ow! I don't know how people do that.
It's gonna burst.
Holy yeah, that did not work at all. I just broke the can in half. I'm gonna have to jump in the water. I'm fucking soaked in fucking hot now. Or whatever the fuck that was. What I'm doing is I'm drinking scotch. And I'm doing a fine job of it. Hey! Dude, don't fall off the cliff! Don't fall in the fire! Just stop moving! Dude, you almost died twice.
Man, how many times did I save my life?
I mean, I think I saved you by saying don't do that.
I wanted to die, I would have done it too. Please don't, I don't want to let you. I mean, I could have went on style, but I didn't. Welcome back to Jeff Boyd's Campfire Cookout. Alright, this morning we're going to do some bacon and hash. So I already fried up the bacon, I got it on the counter over there. Yesterday's hot dogs and cheese. These were the potatoes I threw in the fire, the embers last night. I got them soaking in the bacon grease that we cooked. That'll help kind of help feed them. Yeah, these are mushroom their own stuff, so I'm going to get the potato going in the pan right after. We'll see how this all comes out. Catch us next time.
I'm excited to eat this. Let's go! Yeah! Alright, I'm on my other phone. It's fucking pissing sideways. Look at Trish. She came prepared. My scotch is getting watered down. Woo! It's alright. We're still partying. Alright. Woo!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Fucking hey.
Fucking party out here, eh?
Fucking party in paradise. Looks fucking great. There's a fucking river coming from the rock.
Dude, look. I'm the king of the world!
Did we put our kindling away?
It's under there. It's probably gonna be soaked. Okay, so the rain stopped. Even though the fire pit had fucking... It was a swimming pool. Oh yeah, we got a fire going. We're cooking food. Look at these shish kebabs. These shish kebabs look fantastic. Full moon!
I mean,
Some man out of you.